Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. I have an unboxing, but it's not what you think. It's not a Louis Vuitton unboxing, it's not a Chanel unboxing, it's not a Gucci unboxing, but it is an unboxing. It is a Fashom unboxing. And I had never heard of this company before, but they emailed me and asked me if I would be interested, if they sent me a box of clothes, if I would be interested to do an honest review. And I said, sure, go ahead, send the box. So how it works, like I said, you fill out a profile, a style profile, or a survey, and you answer all these questions. And there are a ton of questions. You know, you give your height, your weight, you tell your favorite colors, what your lifestyle is like. Do you prefer the casual look, an edgy look? You know, just all kinds of questions. And that way they are able to determine what your style is. And you are assigned a stylist. And based on your answers, that stylist will choose clothing items for you, and then she sends you an email and you review the items. And I believe there are maybe 9 different items that they will send, and if you don't like them, you can just email her back and say, I don't like this, I don't like that, and by the next day she will send another email and replace those items. You choose 5 items, you get 5 items in the box. I believe that Fashom is a fairly new company, and I have used services like this in the past. I've used Le Tote on and off for years, and there are some similarities and some differences. The difference with Le Tote, as far as I can tell, Le Tote, if you don't like something that the stylist has chosen for you, you just go on their website and you swap the item. But with Fashom, you email your personal stylist and she will replace the item, and then you go from there. And the whole process, like I said, has been very quick. It has been a pleasure to work with this company, and I'm really excited, so I wanted to let you guys know. And also, I have a coupon code that you will get $10 off the first time you use it, so it would be a good thing to try. You know, I'm not really a big clothes person, but I'm just really not. I've never really been into clothes. I mean, I have to have clothes, but as far as just, you know, going shopping for clothes all the time, I've just never really been that much into clothes. So I think services like this are very useful for people like me. I've used Le Tote for years, so I'm really excited to work with Fashom and see what they have to offer. All right, so let's get in this box. So they sent me this box, Fashom, this big box. And I've already opened this, but I haven't even looked inside of it. So I'm really excited to see what is in this box. So when I open up the box, it's like this. And there's a card that says, hello, beautiful. So we'll open that up. Hello, beautiful. So what we have an invoice. All of the items are listed individually, and the prices, and then the total is $240. You get 30% off if you buy 5 items. So minus $72 is $168. So thank you so much, Fashom, for sending me this box. I'm really excited to see, you know, if this is a win-win. We'll see. But anyway, it says refer a friend, enjoy $10 Fashom credit for every friend who makes a purchase. Your friend gets $10 credit too after signing up with your referral link. So I will link my referral link in the description box below, and you get 30% off, as I said, for keeping all 5, 25% for 3 or 4 pieces. That's exciting. So then there is a card here that says, what's next? Try before you buy and purchase your favorites. And if the item does not fit, you just have a free return or exchange. And so they seem really great to work with. And one thing that I really like about this company, for every Fashom box sent, they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue for New York City dogs. And I love that about this company. So that's great. They're giving back and helping with the little dogs in New York City. So I love that idea. Okay, you get this bag and it's already got the postage on it. If something doesn't fit, if you either want to return it or exchange it, you just put it in this bag and put it in the mail. Okay, enough talking. Enough talking. So it is packaged up like this, and they have their Fashom sticker. I'm going to open it up. Oh, this is exciting. Free clothes. Okay, so we'll toss the box. So here is my stack. So they sent me all of these clothes. You guys, I'm gonna do a try on. I don't know if it's all gonna fit, we'll see. But anyway, so they sent me these items. So now I'm going to do a try on and show you what they sent me. Okay guys, so this is the first item that they sent me, this denim jacket. And I really like it. It has all this distressing on it. They sent me a large. The sleeves are long, but everything is long on me. I'm only 5'3½". So, but other than that, I really like it. I like an oversized jacket. It has all this distressing on it. It's really cute for the fall. I like this jacket. And let me grab the invoice. It says Blue Age Denim Distressed Jacket, $45. So yeah, this is cute. This is a keeper. So this is 1 for 1. Okay, this next item, it is called Together Clothing Striped Top. Striped, oh, really? Take 2. All right, this top, the name brand is Together Clothing. And it's $42, and it's okay. It's not really my style. I don't know, I'm not loving it. I mean, I don't hate it, it's not terrible, but I would never wear this. The material's okay. Well, not really. I just don't, I'm not loving this top. And I really don't, it's a crisscross, which I like, but I don't like the way it just gaps open. I would have to pin it. And I'm just wearing it with my leggings. I mean, it looks okay, but I don't think I would ever buy this. So I also think it's a little overpriced. It's $42 and the jacket was $45. So I don't know. I'm just not loving this. So this one is definitely going back. I really like this. It's very soft material. It's called Chris and Carol Leopard Print Round Neck Tank Top. $38. And I think that's a good price because it's really good quality. It's really soft, but it's really too big. It's like the armholes are really, really big. But I guess I could wear like a cardigan over it and you would never know that it's too big. But I think it looks good. It's a size large. Maybe a medium would have been better. But with leggings, I guess it'd be cute with a black sweater. So I might just keep this one because I really, really like the way this feels. So this one's a keeper. So we are 2 for 3 now. You guys, the things I do for you guys, you know I love you when I'm about to show you what I'm about to show you. Oh my goodness, I'm so embarrassed, but I'm gonna show you. This is a jumpsuit, Natural Life striped jersey jumpsuit. $48. Okay. I mean, it feels good. But, and it's got this little leg slit thing here, but, I mean, I can't deal with this, okay? Everything else has been pretty big on me except this, and it's not tight, but, and I like the material, but, no, I can't do this. So the back of it is kind of cute. It has this little tie, but it's the front part. There's just no way. I'm gonna walk around in this jumpsuit. So we're 2 for 4. Okay, So the last thing I have to show you guys, let me grab the invoice. Cut from the cloth, boyfriend jeans. And I was dreading trying on the jeans, but I actually like them. They fit, they're a size 10. And they're really cute. Distressed. So I angled the camera down so you could see the jeans. And I like them. They have this little cuff. They've got a hole. I love distressed jeans. So I actually like the jeans. So actually out of this box, I will be keeping 3 items and exchanging 2. So these are really cute and they are cut from the cloth. Let me see the price. Hold on just a moment. The price. Okay, so the price of these jeans are $67. So out of 5 items, I really like 3 items. And even though the leopard print top, if I were purchasing it in a store, I would have chosen a medium. I like it because, you know, sometimes you get bloaty and you just want like a big top. So I really like it. The material is so soft. I really, really like this. It's just, I think, really it's just this part, I think, that seems too big. But I like it. I like it with the jeans. I love the jacket. So 3 out of 5 is not bad. That jumpsuit, let's not even go there. Andrea, you have the body for the jumpsuit. But the jumpsuit is not working for me. But yeah, I think it's been a really good experience. It's been good working with this company. They've been great. They are very fast to respond on emails, and the whole thing probably took less than a week. Okay, I wanted to read you what they wrote to me. It said, "Hello, Panayota. Thank you for styling with Fashom. For the first time, I really enjoyed watching your latest video on YouTube about your most and least used handbag. Based on your preferences and styling request, I have curated this comfortable yet chic selection for you. I think could include some great additions to your early fall wardrobe. Please note that some of our sizes do run a bit differently, so we do encourage that you give everything a try. Hope you enjoy them and hope you're having an amazing end of summer." So I think that Fashom, my experience so far has been great. I would encourage you to try them. I am going to link in the description box below my coupon code, and I'm definitely going to be trying them out again because, like I said, I love the jacket, I love these jeans, and I love this top. So the other 2 items I will just swap out for something else. But yeah, I highly recommend them. It is a company that I think they're a new company I had never heard of before, but it was my pleasure to work with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.